to every November is in Ulmer, South Carolina. We go up there and we have a great time, and we do that every November. We've got it scheduled this year as well. The Liva Killa, that's the name of the truck. And over the past couple of years, you talk about one of the most popular vehicles, most popular guys in the whole Trucks Gone Wild scene. He's one of them. He's going to sneak it on in here and maybe...
And his son.
And his son. Pretty. His daughter's got
Hey, Flack, let's hold. There you go. Hey, look at that, dude. Flack Enterprise truck has been on it out here today. This is the next stage.
Daddy's ready to crash.
Now, some Twitty's got to get in there. Mike, we can get some grip shot. I see 99 Problems lining up in the back as well. Do that gold, very cool looking truck. He wants to hit the jumps a little bit. And then they did say, they said that Crankin was going to do it too. All right, Twitty in the shallow pit on the shallow side. Twitty has gone up to Michigan Mud Jam a couple of years ago and won the wheelie contest. The two guys really synonymous with wheelies would be Twitty and Dan Perkins. And they had a big duel, if you will. Twitty came out on top of that one with about a 13-foot trophy. Come on, man. Come on. Probably the best spot for Twitty to get a good wheel step to be right in front of the rim. But we've tried that before, and that's just not good. Tried that last time. We don't want to do that again. It's all good, brother. It's all good. Twitty out of South Carolina. Dude, we saw some good stuff from Twitty today. Hey, Twitty, you see that in front of you? It's that gold Toyota. I think he wants to hit the jump, if I'm not mistaken.